Okay. That was kind of came in there hot. Sorry about that. All right, so we're talking about evaluating expressions, okay? Evaluating just means like looking at something and getting a conclusion out of it. Sometimes you get an answer. Sometimes you simplify. It's just you're evaluating it and you're trying to break it down to its simplest form, okay? And an expression is just like a math equation written out. So, like I said, math people just kind of like took the words of what was going on and put them together and made that the terminology, okay? Evaluate for m equals negative 3.1. That means it wants you to work these equations, either simplifying them or solving them, when you know that m equals negative 3.1. This is a common equation you'll see in algebra, okay? So I'm going to circle that because it's important. An equal sign means they're the same, okay? It's like a direct substitute. So it's like when your teacher's out, they put a substitute in their place. Maybe they're watching this today. What? Inception. Oh, that's not the way that works. So what that means is that we can take anywhere an m is, and we can take it out and put a negative 3.1 in its place because they are the exact same thing. It means it's like an IOU. It's like the exact same amount is what it's worth. So right here, we've got 8.6 plus m. I can take wherever the m is. Don't garbage up that sign, okay? That sign stays where it is. Just the m. So I've got to rewrite it, 8.6 plus, and I like to keep things in line, m. m equals negative 3.1. That means wherever m is, I can put negative 3.1. Now I can solve it. 8.6 plus negative 3.1, which we know those cancel over, and it's 8.6 minus 3.1. So it's going to take some of that down. 8 minus 3 is 5. Put my decimal. 6 minus 1 is 5. So that's my answer. Moving on. Negative 3 plus m. I take where the m is. I replace it with exactly negative 3.1. So plus negative 3.1. Okay, I've got two negatives here. So I've got a negative, I'm subtracting more from it. So I've already got debt, and I'm getting more debt. All right, I'm taking it out. So negative 3, deeper into the negative zone, 3.1. So it'd be negative 6.1. Because I'm essentially adding those two numbers together and then making it a negative. Because it's just building on each other. It's not like they're crossing up, like if you were adding a positive and a negative. Then we get m plus negative 2. Take my m, put in negative 3.1 plus negative 2. Again, I've got the same situation. I've got two negatives, so I know it's just going to be building on it. So essentially, I'm adding those two negatives together, but keeping them negatives. All right, so I can just do 3.1 plus 2, which is 5.1, and then just putting the negative in front, because I just built up that bigger negative. Okay? That's how you evaluate expressions, my friends. What up? Oh, hey, it's me, Michael Jordan, Shoemaker. I want you to know that if you don't click that little circle there to subscribe, then you won't ever find your true love. That's a fact. It's like an email chain letter. If you're not 45 years old, you will not get that joke. Not important, but click that. Anyways, I'll wait.